Kublai pi baro ni pedang somhai pi shakatuk kubor mata ka jan met shwan pash ki kubor ke benai petrai ke mat bukong san. Bu mau nongrem menteri rang ba adu kari ya artli ki hydro power project chamba. Ular ujin sangma ban pendam no ya ka an khalai. Onyat pat ba ka hito bandawa wengkam shipor ki ofisar pulit bedon ketih ke jinja kawang li air pensat kemai. Bat penlong jingelang ka expert committee ban penek pensa ya ki penlong omha ka jela. Ki kubor ki babnya Menteri rang ba adu kari Narendra Modi ne kesni ulabo ya umau nongrem jong artli ki hydro power project ha chamba Himachal Pradesh. Kinik project kin penmi kumba ars pa nyau pho million unit ka boarding man usnem ba lakhmi lenti ba ka Himachal Pradesh kan yo ik khajna kumba shispa shipho klur tingka ka shisnem. Menteri rang ba adu kari ulapleru ya bontli ki project penroi ha una. Hakaju kapor ula kawe lamai ka Vande Bharat Express na una New Delhi. Kani ka day ka rel Vande Bharat ka basaw ka balawan ra hakari. Menteri rang ba du ula ong baka sorkar omtang baka pendep ki jingdon kam jeng ki patba handai kala sedang ru banterai shitrhem. Modi ula ong baka jing penlet jingmut jong ka sorkar kalong ban kentiu ki lat penyeso hakathan bat ban pentiknai ka jingdon bat ka jing pendon kam hok ya ki kor ka jukstat bamenta.
से नई इमारतें हिमाचल में हम बना रहे हैं। आज यहां यूना में देश के दूसरे बल्क ड्रग पार्क पर काम शुरू हुआ है। इसलिए हिमाचल को IIT के लिए, IIIT के लिए, IIM के लिए, एम्स के लिए डबल इंजन की सरकार का इंतजार करना पड़ा।
Menteri kata taxation James PK sangmah ne kesni ula ong bahadian ki babon ki jingalang pat ki brio badon ke jing so kya ban so thu ke jikta jong ka MEGHALAYA Regulation of Gaming Act arhajar arpuwe minta onya le ban pendam no ya kanika an. Haka jingkeren jong usang maula ong. Bahadian kita gijingalang kala pensai kedar bat kan long ka bae na kabenta ka bit ka biang jong ka jela ban pendam no shi sendan ya ka an da ka bobo jingmut ba ki la ban mi kini kitai. Kani ka an jong arhajar arpuwe ka ban long an bat te la kam ki kam khalai ka jela ka thmuru ban kentiu ya ki kam jngok kai ka jing pen mi khajna bat ka yo kam yo jam. Hinrei, kila don ki jing pensngau na ki babon balang hakabe day bat ki jing wanra ki casino hapo ka jela.
Non-governmental organizations, civil society representations, Dorbash Nongs, autonomous and local governance bodies and youth organizations. During this process, I tried to understand the concerns of the public and the impact that the Act could have further on. Following such meetings and deliberations, it became clear to me that it is in the best interest of our state to completely scrap the Act, given that there could be untoward implications.
Menteri katanat ki kampo yang ka jela uba lakamen rembui hinin kesni ula ong baya ka kai pot balapan na ki board district halor ka jingsiat ya kal air pensat khamat hadu menta kampat poi shu. Nakaliang kahito kalap berngem ban lektur sya sekretariat kum kadak ban persya halor ka jing penslam jong ka sorkar ban pensitong bat wengkam shipori kitu ki badon kiti ka jing siat leer pensat khmat badang shen sekinong hikai urembui laong baka sorkar kam don hangni ban yada yano bat kan pensitong halor ka ka bayat palat nakaan habakren skila pathai khubor hinin kasngi president kahito uba don bok dakharu laong baka jingyat pat ba kan sedang na umot ukyang nang ba habarik sya sekretariat hakastep sngi thoding ula ong baka seng kalayai dawa na ka sorkar ban wengkam shipor kitu ki bedon kiti ha ka ban ai hukum kumjo ya armut ki he pulit kinthop yo DSP ban kawang air pensat khmat skino hikai ki blaya khi da ka bajai jai ka henriu trik risau
session. I hope that report have already reached, but I have not able to. It has not reached me. When I get the report, I will see what is the thing to be done. Necessary thing which need to be done, we will do accordingly.
On Friday at 11 o'clock, start from Mukhyamangba up to Secretariat, and this protest will take effect on around 11, starting from 11 in CM Resident, UDP office, BGP office, NPP office, and main secretary.
Ka Regional Committee na kabanta ka West Giant Hills District ka balakli do menteri ka tanat ki kampen roy sor uba smiaw bhalang dhar kala penlong ke jingyalang baningkong kan rio terik mentau benai haba pentip ya kani menta kasngi u menteri ka tanat ki kampo yeng uba lakmen rumbui laong baka committee kala ya pliu jingmut halor ki mat ki bedei bat ki than ki bahap po ka block 1 bat larai ban lum ya ki jing tho bat ki jing tip ki bebnia kala ban slam kat tu kan report Henry kan ka kam kala ya chaprang ulaong uni menteri ulaong ru baka committee kan pet baya kan ka mat halor upot usam onla ban penbet kat kum ka jengkwa jong ki brio ki basa hakini ki jaka khapot
Formal meeting amongst the member on the 6th of this month. So after that, then it is not very easy to move forward again. We have to collect all data, information, this and that. So it will take some time, but the process is on. It is not the question of subcommittee, it's the question of that take a thing forward. So the committee is there, but they will do anything to see that the border dispute is resolved, taking consideration the concern of the border people.
Ka expert committee meta kasngi kala penlong ya ka jingyalang bani pliu jingmut halor ka jing penne bat jing pensa ya ki telong ha ka jela haba a jing crunch ki nok tho khubor u chairman ke expert committee u ba bk lingwa u la pentim bala thung ke expert committee ha ka be day bat ka PIL jong ka high court jong ka jela Meghalaya ha ka jing pen khoj ya ka pung yam kat kum ko order jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ka bla penmi ha ka lai tarik u jiliu mentau snem haka jeng shisha kanika court case kadai tang nakabenta ki artli ki pung Henry hadian pat lakan thop langru nakabenta baro haka jela
Now the expert committee for restoration and protection of water bodies was constituted on the 23rd June 2022. It pursuant to the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya order dated 3rd June 22 in PIL 10 of 2019 in the matter of cleanliness of Lake versus the state of Meghalaya. The court case was initially dealt with these two lakes, but then later on it was the scope of the directions was expanded to all water bodies in the state.
Kum shibenta jong ka Clean India campaign ban penlong ka shnong ka thau ka bakhoj bat ka balat na ka jinglet pan khana pathar ka National Service Scheme Ribhoi College Unit menta kasngi kala penlong ka jing pen khoj hasor nong po palat ki spa ngot ki samla pule jong ka Ribhoi College bat ki dukhot jong ka National Service Scheme ki lai shimenta ha ka ni ka jing pen khoj ha nong po bat ha ki shnong ki bamarjan kasamla rejoicing suchang kabadai kawai na kidukhot jong ka NSS Ribhoi College kala pentip baka ne ka jing pen khoj la penlong kum shibenta jong ka jing pen shai patba ha padang ki nong shong shnong jong ka than nong po ban pen so tho yaki halor ka jing kong san jong ka jing le khoj menta pat ni pet ya ka jing long jaman ka simbeng ha shlong ka jing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius pa ka jing kriat kalong khan rio pon iwe degree Celsius ka jing ngam kau hau kalong khandai phoi na ka shi spa men step pat khandai phau na ka shi spa jan met ka jing hap slap kalong malumala kan don ka jing hap slap ha ki babon ki jaka Sashi sin pat ni pet kan mai pi ping ni ka khubor jing ni pila aru ben pet live ki YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong Shoban poi shok buku jong tup kubor pe biang sesien kimat pakong san. Bo mau nong rem menteri rang ba du keri ya artli ki hydro power project hachamba. Kular ujem sangma ban pendam no ya ka an khalai. On yat patba kahito bandawa wengkam shipor ki officer pulet badon kiti ka jingjia kawang air pensat khamat Bat penlong jingyalang ke expert committee bat penek pensa yakit tolong hak ke jela. Tiap perlu ketung la poisha kebekut jang tup kubor jing minta ke janmiet hadu media syambiang bat pila syai ke sengi kublai pi baro.